Hi guys, this is just a very quick short video just to show you the difference between a couple of different chart types. What we're looking at here is a chart of the UK 100. You can see the name up here, and this is, as you can tell, a very simple line chart. It's very basic. It shows the dates across the top and it shows the price on the side. So that's the level of the UK 100 index on these dates. This is June and early July of 2011. The date doesn't really matter, it's just to show you the difference here. So this is very very simple way to look at a chart, but what you might find a little bit easier is to look at a candlestick chart. If you haven't already looked at a candlestick chart before, or you want to know a little bit more about what they are and how they're different, and you'd like to understand more about exactly what the candles mean, this video is for you. So this is what the candlestick chart looks like. We've got red and green candles here. You can change the colors of the candles if you want to. What do these candles actually represent? And why are some green and why are some red? Why do some have these bits sticking out the top and the bottom of the candle? We call these lines, any line that comes out the bottom or top of a candle, we call it the wick. It's like that looks like a candle with a little wick at the top. You can have the wick at the bottom, you can have it at both ends, or you can have it at no ends, or just one or the other. So just very quickly, what this is a daily candlestick chart. You can see here the interval is 1 day, so each candle represents 1 day. So that's one candle, that's one candle, that's one candle. Now this is the total range of price in this particular day. If I get the crosshair here, we can see that this is for, if you look up the top there, the 26th of June. And I'll just take the crosshair off for a second and explain that basically what happened on this particular day. For that 1 day period, the price opened at the bottom of the candle and it closed at the top of the candle. Now this part is called the body of the candle. I'm not referring to the wick, the little line that sticks out at the top or the bottom. I'm just referring to the body of the candle. This is the opening price and this is the closing price. If the price ended up closing higher at the end of the day, it will be colored green. So I know this one opened down here and closed up here. It closed at a higher price because it's green. So I know where it closed. I know it closed here. However, if it was a red candle, then I know it opened here and closed down here. How do I know that? Because it's red. It will be colored red if the price closed down lower than where it opened. If the price movement at the end of the day finished further down below from where it started, it's red. If it ended up finishing higher than where it started, it will be green. So that's the body of the candle. These wicks just refer to the extra range of price. Of course, where it opened and where it closed might not necessarily be the high or low for the day, or vice versa. So this red one is a good example. It opened here where my mouse is. It closed here, but at some point during the day it did actually go up as high as here, and at some other point in the day it came down as low as here. So anytime, I mean, the total range in price for the whole day is basically from the very bottom tip to the very top tip. So that's the total low for the day and the total high for the day. Okay, and then these just happen to be the parts where it opened and where it closed. This is a good example as well. It opened here, at some point it moved up, at some point it also moved all the way down to here, and at the end of the day this is where it finally closed. Now we don't know, looking at this 1 day candle, at what time during the day it moved up to the high and what time it moved down to the low. It could have gone down first and then up and then back down again, or a whole different sort of range of combinations. So there you go, that's candlestick charts for you. I'll explain a little bit more about these candlestick charts in the next video, and a few more other things you might like to know. You might want to also go and have a look at awesometradingsystems.com. That's awesometradingsystems.com. The link will be in the description just below this video, and you can find a whole lot of trading systems for stocks, options, futures, and forex. And follow the systems. There will be signals of when to buy, when to sell. Have a look at that site. That might be interesting for you. But we'll show you more about these candles in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon.